everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a Coach item with you all. If you're already subscribed to my channel, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Carla, and on this channel, I share videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, then please subscribe down below. Okay, so first I want to share with you guys the word of the day. So the word of the day for today is spending. And I'm going to make this very short because of course you can go on and on and on when it comes to spending. But one thing that I live by, and it's truly helped me, and it's made me happy with the stuff that I buy and happy with the amount of money I save, is knowing that you can buy the things and spend your money how you want to spend it. I've mentioned this in another video. Just spend and buy what you want. Just make sure that all of your stuff, all of your bills are paid for, and that you've put away a certain amount of money a month or a week from every single paycheck that you get. Put it a certain amount away, and then everything that you have, any amount of money that you have left over, you can spend it. It's okay to spend. I feel like sometimes people feel like they can't spend money. You can spend money. Just do it in the right way. So you make sure that, like I said, everything's paid for and you've saved the amount that you've had to save. Everything else is spending money. And it's okay to spend money, guys. It's okay. Now that I've got through letting you guys know that it's okay to spend money, because clearly I spend a lot of money, right? I do save, like I mentioned, all my bills are paid and I save my money. So I do spend a lot, but it's money that I can spend. So this is what I'm going to be showing you guys. I did pick it up from Coach, as you saw on the bag, and you've probably seen from the title of this video. Quick story. So I went into the Coach store and I was actually looking for something for my husband. This had nothing to do with me. I wanted to get him something. He was with me and he was just tired of being in the store, so he left. And I just happened to run into this item. Like, it was there. All of a sudden I turned around and the item was there. So I asked the sales associate if I can get this item. So she comes to me and she's like, yes, and it's the last one. And I was like, you know what? This was meant for me. Of course, right? Because you have to justify it. Of course. So this was meant for me. And this is what it was. As you can see from the box, I did get a pair of shoes. So these were in a size 8. Like I said, last item, last size, happened to be perfect for me. And it's funny because when I asked her if I could try them on, I was already getting ready to try them on, and she was like, very polite. She said, can you please just use some nylon socks because of COVID and everything going on? I said, sure, perfect. And when she told me it was the last one, I pretty much told her, see, it was for me. So it was perfectly fine that I tried it on without socks. These are opening this up right now. These are the Gable Sig, I believe is how you say it, Gable SIG sandal. And this is what they look like. Let me take this out, and this right here. I've been so into Coach now. I still love my Louis Vuitton, my Off-White, all those other brands, but I've been so into Coach. Like, Coach has been coming through lately. And these are probably old. I probably just happened to run into them. I'm not really sure. I didn't do research on these sandals. Like I said, they've probably been around for some time. But yeah, I got these in a size 8, and this is what they look like. I'm not someone who loves print. Like, I don't like Coach pieces that has like the logo all over it, but I was perfectly fine with these being this way. So these have an MSRP of $198, and another reason why I was like, I'm getting them was she checked the price and they were $69. And I was like, okay, definitely for me. They're very comfortable. You see how that kind of has like a platform in a sense? It's very, very soft. So these are very, very, very comfortable. And I love that on the strap. I'll put one down. See that detail right there? I love, love, love the Coach detail right on here. So yeah, this is really all I wanted to share with you guys. If you want, I can do a wear and tear on these sandals. I plan on wearing these often because they're so comfortable. I've been so into these kinds of sandals lately. I've shared a whole haul where I picked up, I think my black sandals, my rope leather sandals that I picked up from Mango. I've been wearing those nonstop and they're literally just like this. Matter of fact, let me grab them. These are my Mango sandals that I've been wearing non-stop, guys. Like, these are so comfortable, and you see how they're so similar? That is exactly why I wanted to pick these up. I actually had these on the day that I picked these up. I know that I'm going to get a lot of use out of them. So like I said, if you want a video on the wear and tear of these sandals, let me know in the comment section down below. If you have any other questions, also just ask me in the comment section down below. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to be kind to yourself, be kind to others, love yourself and love others as well. Also remember, like I said in the word of the day, it's okay to spend money. It's okay. Just make sure that your bills are paid and that you saved a certain percentage of your check for that week, month, whatever you want to save. Just make sure you are saving. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe down below. See you in the next video.